Okay, so in this example, we got this portion up and running. And the next thing that we should do is actually make it work now. So right now, this doesn't work. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is we need to be able to grab the data off of this. So when I click here and I click on search, I'm supposed to be able to pick cafe, Chinese restaurants, delicatessen, hamburger. So let's close this and fix the rest of that. Let's go back to the controller. And even though this part is working nicely, we only set the text. What we should be doing now is doing RB. We should set the actual data part. So I'm going to set here, set user data, and I will set it up with the data e dot, let's see here, get ID. Remember, the ID is the portion that's going to contain the actual cuisines. Okay, so with that, oh, and this one also we need to do the same thing here. We need to give it the user data, set user data. And we'll set it to all. And we'll make our code smart enough to understand when the user puts in all. Let's click on save, and now that we set that up, it should be fine. Now, when the person hits the execution button, we have to put in the right cuisine now. Right now, we're getting the cuisine from the text box. Let's comment this out for a second. And this is what we're going to do. We're going to ask the toggle group, TG, toggle group, get selected toggle. I get you this one. And then we're going to get user data. But that user data will be in a form of an object, and we'll do a toString. That should now get us data from the current radio button. So again, toggle group, get the selected toggle, get the user data from that. The user data is an object, so we are doing a toString. Let's save it, and let's run this again and hope that we have figured it out. Okay, so let's click on Latin, click on search. We've got Latin. Mexican, Mexican, pizza, pizza, Cuban, Cuban, bakery, bakery. You get the point. So now we have our radio button working. I think this is definitely a better interface because, one, the user gets to see a lot more, and of course there are no spelling errors here. Okay, so that works out nicely for us too. Let's get some Irish food here. Nice. Okay, so with that, we're finished with the portion here, and we'll just be tightening up the screen a little bit more in the next few videos. With that, good luck and good coding.